Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a general reading for Cancer from 16 to 31st of May. So we'll take out 3 cards. This is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. Take what resonates with you and you can leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Okay. So let's see what do the cards have for you, Cancer, from 16 to 31st of May. Alright. So we'll take out 3 cards, with the first one being the probable challenges and outcomes, the second one being the guidance, and the third one being the outcome for you by end of May. Okay, so let's see what the cards have for you. Let's see why cards are falling off. Cancer, what's happening? Okay, the obstacles, the guidance. What's the guidance here? What is happening, Cancer? Why cards are falling off while doing your reading? Okay, what is the guidance for Cancer? Oh, okay. What is the probable outcome for Cancer? What's the probable outcome for Cancer? What's the probable outcome for Cancer by 31st of May or by end of the month? What's the probable outcome for Cancer? Okay, got it. Okay, we have 8 of swords at the bottom of the deck. So I think somewhere you might be feeling that you are kind of trapped. You are not able to make the move what you want to, and you are kind of being controlled by people or the situation around. But just keep that in mind, sometimes we are trapped in our own mental cage. Okay, it need not be the situation, need not be the people, but the way we look at the things is kind of causing this trap energy in our own mind. Okay, so try to look into the things, try to do what is possible and come out of the trapped and cage energy, come out of that victim mindset. Okay, so that is somewhere at the bottom. Maybe subconsciously you might be going through these things. Okay, the obstacles here I think is you are trying to create a balance between two difficult things or two difficult situations. Maybe at work you might be trying to create a balance at your work where you are handling two different teams, two different projects, or too many things to take care of at the same time. Okay, and in your relations it can be also like managing two different opposite situations. You are trying to create a balance or trying to manage it, which is somewhere kind of getting difficult for you, and maybe because of that you are feeling like things are moving out of your hands and you are trying your best but it's not happening. Okay, right. So somewhere that is a challenge I feel you're going through. Okay, so Cancer, the advice for you here is to create balance. See, so here you're issuing juggling and creating balance and trying to manage different things, and that is the advice, that you need to figure out a way on how you can deal with the situation. Okay, you need not to be overthinking, you do not have to over stress, you do not have to overlook certain important aspects, and you need to focus on what you really want and then create a balance between these things. Okay, at your workplace if you are juggling with too many responsibilities, try to figure out a way where you can assign your responsibilities in different ways in the best possible manner. Okay, at your in your personal life, try to figure out a way to deal with the situation by changing your perspective. Okay, basically you need to change your perspective. You need to be very grounded, you need to be very mature, and you have to deal it's like you cannot sail on two boats at the same time, right? So that is somewhere the message is coming, that you need to create a balance, you need to see what is important for you, and then accordingly you have to take the call. Okay, the outcome here is it's positive, but you need to be mindful that when you are making this decision, you have to deal in a mature way. Okay, you have to deal with the situation in a very mature way. You might get the positive outcome of the situation, because in your workplace you might be you might get something which is out of the box somewhere, like all of a sudden you are getting an opportunity to do something. In your personal life you might be kind of getting a positive way to do certain things. So things will be very positive, things will be in your favor, but you have to keep that in mind. But whatever outcome happens, whatever outcome, in whatever way it turns out to be, you do not have to, just act immaturely. You have to deal with the situation in a very mature manner, very intellectual way. You have to deal with the situation with, whatever you are dealing with. Okay, so that's the general reading here. That's the outcome here. Sorry. Okay. Okay, Cancer. This was a reading. If you want me to do a detailed reading, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.